Hello, everyone. Michael Grift, MCV Realty, coming to you here training. Olivia is doing her first final walkthrough checklist. Our client actually forgot about the final walkthrough, and when I just called her to ask where she was, she's like, "Where do I have to be tomorrow?" I was like, "I'll send you that address, but right now you're supposed to be at your new house." I've been so busy. I was like, "I know, I got you." So we're doing it for her because this is an important step. And I always tell people this, making sure you're getting what is supposed to convey or come with the home is important. Making sure any inspection or repairs are done, which on this one, there were a couple plumbing. So we've got to run the water and make sure there's no leaks. Now there were leaks in a couple of the sinks. We're going to let that run for a little bit, baby. We're going to go up and start the other one because the upstairs bathroom was the other one that we had to have a repair done on it because there was a leak. So you want to make sure all your repairs are done, you're getting everything you were supposed to get, and making sure to document this. And we have a checklist that we document this on because if you have problems later on, that's the first question. If you go to arbitration, which a lot of people like arbitration, if you go to arbitration, that's the first question the arbitrator is going to ask is, before you took possession and closed, did you do a final walkthrough? So it is an important step in the process. We're doing it, getting it done. So if you need help with anything, feel free to reach out to us. We would love to help you make that next move. Make smart moves, MCV. Bye-bye now. Grace, peace.